there's enough money to be made in this business to replace a good salary. I'm full, and I fully believe that, and otherwise I wouldn't have quit. So
and now you have equity in what you're doing as well. So you not only have the cash flow aspect, but now you're building wealth with your own firm.
Yeah, and I track my net worth like pretty. I'm just a person that does that, and I always, anytime I add a recurring revenue to my client list, like if I add someone that's paying me $1,000 a month, I mark it as my firm is now worth 12 grand more, because it is true. It's bankable. If you wanted to expand your firm through acquisition, they'll look at your tax return and say how much revenue you had. They love recurring revenue. If you wanted to, so you can actually use the equity in your firm to go buy another firm if you grow big enough, and because it's real money. If you wanted to sell your firm and you have recurring revenue of $100,000 a year, roughly, you could sell it for $100,000. So it's a very real thing. It's a very active market, and I've seen it firsthand with a lot of people recently. So
I'm glad you said that. And like as we know, this industry, now we're kind of getting into selling and buying businesses, which is a whole nother chat. But yeah, our business, type of business typically goes for like a 1 or 2 multiple. EBITDA, gross revenue, like you're more seeing the gross revenue, right, as far as what they're multiplying.
Yeah, if you're doing a CPA firm, most businesses are sold off a multiple of what's called SDE, which stands for seller discretionary earnings. Most CPA firms and bookkeeping firms and this type of business are sold off a multiple of revenue. And yeah, typically you're gonna look at 1 times for kind of a lower quality, maybe not tech forward firm. If you're a tech forward firm, like I'm sure most of us are in here, you're going to pretty easily be getting that 1.5 plus times revenue. And the bigger you get, actually, you kind of get an arbitrage of you can actually up that multiple even more too. So
yeah, that's awesome. That's way different than other industries.